Beautiful babes, welcome back to Sugar Fingers. Your girl Sweet Angel here. Listen, today's quick tip is all about nail polishes that have become a little thick and you can't seem to work with them, period. Well, I have a solution. Don't throw them away. Listen, if your nail polish has gotten a little bit thick, you see how this one just doesn't seem to move around the bottle like it normally would. And even for clear nail polish, if it's kind of slow about moving, all you have to do is take a cup of water and pop it in the microwave for a few seconds. Okay, and just sit those nail polishes right in that cup of water just for a few seconds. Even if your top won't come off of the bottle, you can do this and it'll loosen it up and it'll help that nail polish to be more thinner in order for you to polish your nails. I was just about to do my toenails and oh my goodness, my nail polishes were just not doing it. So now that it's been in there for a few seconds, check it out. See how easy that moves around now? This can be done with gel nail polish, regular nail polish, and it will loosen it up for sure. Absolutely amazing. There you go. Today's nail tip from your girl, Sweet Angel, right here at Sugar Fingers. Listen, I'll see y'all in the next video. If you enjoyed this one, got something out of it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And keep those hands looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.